This is a hotel review of my stay at charming cave hotel in Cappadocia. If you're looking for a cave hotel with hot air balloon views from their rooftop, this hotel review is for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, I stayed at the beautiful charming cave hotel in Cappadocia in a standard double stone room. We chose this hotel for its amazing location in Göreme, which is the best place to stay if you want to see hot air balloons every morning. And this location is easy to walk to a lot of trails and attractions. Once we checked in, we headed up to our room, and it was absolutely beautiful. Our room had a large bed in the center with a TV opposite. We also loved the little welcome touches like rose petals on the bed. The room had stone walls which kept with the cave-style hotel. The bathroom was modern and spacious, which we were quite happy with. We loved all the extra touches in the room, such as tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. The bathroom also had extra toiletries, which is great in case you forgot something. After settling in, we went for a walk for dinner. We had an early night as we had to wake up for the hot air balloons. And honestly, the main reason we chose this hotel was for its prime location. We were so close to all the hot air balloons, it was crazy. We were completely blown away. The balloons were all right there, floating so close to the rooftop of our hotel. We couldn't believe how close they got. After watching the balloons, we headed for breakfast, and it was a full Turkish spread. This was actually such a surprise. We had no idea it was going to be so much food. And everything was delicious. The staff were also incredibly attentive and refilled our tea and coffee without us even asking. There was also an outdoor terrace where you could enjoy breakfast in a clear igloo. The hotel staff were absolutely amazing. They organised drivers for us and gave us plenty of recommendations of things to do nearby. After a day of exploring Goreme, we headed to the rooftop to watch the sunset. The town really lit up at night. We had another early night as we wanted to see the hot air balloons in the morning. Unfortunately, it was too foggy and the balloons were cancelled. We learned that they got cancelled about 90 days of the year. So that is definitely something to keep in mind. Then it was time for another delicious Turkish breakfast. Charming Cave Hotel was such a dream stay. The staff, location, breakfast, and the rooftop views were all amazing. The hotel also has cave rooms available, but they weren't available for us to book when we stayed. So we definitely recommend booking in advance. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at Charming Cave Hotel. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.